सरकारचे इंटेंशन आसा म्हणजे जशें टुरिजम एंड पीस आमी सातत्यान म्हणटा की इंटरलँड टुरिजम ओके हे प्रमोट करचें आनी अशा पद्दतीचे आज पर्यंत सन सँड एंड सी हे सोडून इंटरलँड टुरिजम प्रमोट करपा खातीर गोंय सरकार अशा पद्दतीच्यो वेगवेगळ्यो इनिशिएटिव्स घेत आसा. आमची ह्युमन रिसोर्स टुरिजम सेक्टरांत कशी वापरची आनी इकॉनॉमी अजूनय बूस्ट कशी जावची हाजेर भर दिता.
I feel that we should come out of this thought of hypocrisy very strongly. Ami Goikar, and I strongly believe that we Goans are very proud of our roots and what we have. All is that we need to showcase it. We believe in Aditi Devo Bhava, and it is not only that we talk about it, we showcase it. And you are the people who are the ambassadors to showcase this. You are the leaders in your own way to ensure that you all start getting the business and the rest opportunities for the ecosystem, the economics, and creating that particular environment for creating the right employment.
मजगती पणजे वर्ल्ड टुरिजम दिसाची कार्यावळ जाली.
Tourism and peace हो जेन्ना घेवन वता very clearly with the way we are talking about globally, whether it's a G20 or things which are going ahead. Tourism is one area which can foster peace and get many things together. Is something which has already been there and the transformations have been seen.
प्रुडंटा खातीर साहिल मांद्रेकार आणि विवेक प्रभू.